Take a ride in the 2025 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.